Tower with your help. Looking forward to talking.
The aftermath of Israel's latest airstrikes on Gaza. Residents are left picking through the rubble that used to be their homes. They say the attacks were the most ferocious yet.
Here we know who our enemy is, and we know that they are out to get us.
The Islam is it's a very bad disease. We have to kill him.
Make a פיגועים, and we need to kill Arabs.
Israelis have to take over, and they have to kick them away. It will be much better.
But as the killing continues, violence, fear and loss remain an everyday experience for these children in Gaza.
Kosti masline, grane palestinske. Ono što je noćas gaženo crnim čizmama je iftar. Voda postača. Njegova žeđ svetom zemljom teče. Suze teku po sjedoj bradi palestinskog oca i trhti glas domorodca dok govori o Avliji, čije kaldrme je podigao, cvijeće zalijevao, masline uzgajao. Kako ću Avliju dati? Na njoj sam djecu učio hodati. Najednom isto postalo mi ti grane masline i kosti palestinske. Kosti masline, grane palestinske. Za tuđu bol se svijet davno otuđi. Odavno se gazi krv u Gazi, pa se podižu svezane ruke da bi se riječi podigle. Dova majke dok je krvavu iz kuće iznose poput sjemenke se u svetu zemlju sije. Nek shvati crna čizma da ne može da bije ono što na zemlji nije.